What's up, guys? It's Mac from Cryptstar, and today I want to talk to you guys about Sidus Heroes. Now, if you don't know, Sidus Heroes is a play-to-earn game on the Ethereum blockchain. It looks like a lot of fun. I've been playing it for a couple weeks now in the beta version, and it's been pretty fun so far. I went ahead and I jumped in the Discord. I got all the nitty-gritty details that is really hard to find on the website, and I put it all together to make this wonderful episode for you guys. So you can basically just watch this episode, go to Opensea, get the NFTs you need, and jump in the game and start having fun and making them extra Sidus coins and upgrading your heroes and stuff. In this tutorial, I basically explain that, how to go to Opensea and purchase the NFTs, and how the NFT upgrade process works. In the second part of the tutorial, I'm going to talk about the benefits of the ecosystem and how you can work the ecosystem to your benefit when playing the game, what the different rarities are, and how those rarities are used to get different items in the game. So if this channel helped you out and you want to learn more about blockchain games as well as other blockchain technology stuff, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell below. It really helps the channel reach a wider audience. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the Opensea Marketplace. I'll explain to you guys the 3 different marketplaces that Sidus Heroes has, as well as what you need to know about each of them. So the first one I want to talk about is this Sidus NFT Heroes Marketplace. This was a generative project done back last year, I believe. There was 6,000 characters that were made by the NFT stars, and they have different rarities. There was 3 rarities at launch. Maybe just 2 rarities at launch, I think. There was S0 and S1, and then they gave you a sort of modifier card, which you can see here. They had a Sidus Rare upgrade card and a Sidus Legendary upgrade card. So you had to basically purchase 3 of these legendaries to go ahead and upgrade a rare to a legendary, and then you could upgrade upgrade some of your commons to rares. Thing is, only up to 500 legendaries can be created. So right now there is a bunch of these upgrade cards on the secondary market that haven't been used, but they're really expensive right now, and it looks like nobody's purchasing them. They haven't been purchasing them for a while. So I believe for me, my strategy would be to go ahead and wait and see some of these legendaries come onto the marketplace. And how you do that is you go to, this is common is S0, and S1 is rare, and S3 is legendary. So press S3 and you can see the floor price right now is 9.8 Ethereum. You can purchase a legendary card right here, NFT card, and then you can go ahead and trade it in the game. And right here you can see the staking page. The staking page, you lock it here, and then it's locked for 180 days, and in return you get one of these Sidus Genesis legendary cards. The Sidus Genesis legendary card alone is worth 3.6 ETH, or I think you could sell it pretty fast for about 3 ETH. So it depends on what you really think the value of this NFT is. If you want to unlock it and sell it at a later date and you think it'll go up in value, then that's another option. Another thing about these generative NFTs is that there is a possibility that you can stake them later in the game for additional benefits. If you go ahead and you just purchase one of these cards and you use it up, you won't get the extra benefits from staking your generative NFT in the game. So you have to keep that in mind when choosing which strategy is right for you. For example, for me, I purchased one of these legendaries on the open marketplace here. Then I went ahead and I staked it for 180 days. In 180 days, I can go and stake that for additional rewards, I believe. And then, or I can sell it on the open marketplace. However, you can only get one of these cards per one of these heroes. That was made clear to me when I asked in the Discord. Now, another technique is to look through these rares and try and find a rare that hasn't been upgraded to a legendary, or that wasn't upgraded from a common, so that you can upgrade it to a legendary. So it has to be an original rare that hasn't been upgraded yet, which I don't believe there is many. I searched most of these. I didn't find any that haven't been upgraded yet. What you can do to go ahead and check if it's been upgraded is you can look at this number right here, 3937, then head to the Sidus website, go to Old Genesis Collection here. Then you scroll down on the page and you can see 2937. And then you can check to see if it's been upgraded from a common to a rare. If it was, you can't upgrade to a legendary. This one has not been upgraded. So it looks like you can upgrade the character. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys, basically you need, in order to upgrade this one to a legendary, you would need to collect 3 of these legendary upgrade cards, which is 1.5 ETH each. So if you can collect 3 of these, you can upgrade to a legendary card on the website here. And you can see the website, Old Genesis Collection. So you can upgrade on this website down here. You basically click on the 3 boxes and then you put in your card and then you can upgrade. Oh, this is 3937. That's why. Never mind. Okay, you can see here that one's actually been upgraded, so you can't upgrade it again. So it's not a good catch. That's pretty much it. So for that method, if this one was 1 Ethereum and then you had to pay, another 4.5 Ethereum to get the 3 boxes, that would equal about 5 Ethereum, which is 5 Ethereum less than the floor right now for these legendaries. Okay? These legendaries here. These are the 2 techniques, or you can just wait for someone to list for a lower price, and then you can try and snag it up as soon as you can. Another idea is to go ahead and look at these cards right here. And these are basically someone staked their NFTs, and they received this card, and now they're listing it on the secondary marketplace. You can actually keep the original NFT, and then you get an extra NFT by staking it. So you can purchase one of these, and then you can use these to make an in-game character now, and you can use it, but it uses it up, and you can keep the in-game character, and then later, at a later date, you'll be able to withdraw that in-game character to your personal wallet. I want to go into detail sort of what the difference is between these common academies and common Genesis, because that really confused me. If you head over to the website, they have a PNG that looks something like this. Now, it's a little bit blurry. I wish there was a higher resolution for this, but this looks like the highest resolution one. And just to summarize for you guys, the Academy, it looks like it's a lot of team boosting. 25 bonus experience for the team, 15 bonus experience for the team, and that goes over to, then you go over to Genesis, and it looks like it's very solo benefits. There's a lot of solo benefits and political benefits to being a Genesis collection. If you're running a team and you're trying to battle and make Sidus that way, I believe Academy is probably a better way to go, because you can level up faster with the legendary from the Academy. It's a 25% bonus experience, or 15% bonus for the epic. And now you look down here, Genesis, there is no bonus experience for the epic or the legendary. However, they become the minister or become elected as the president. So legendaries can only become a counselor. Legendary Genesis can become ministers or get elected as the president. And looks like both of these can become political party members or counselors. And even as a common Genesis, you can become a political party member. So that is quite a big benefit to common Genesis, and I think you can see that in the price difference here on the page. You can see common Academy cards are 1/10 of the price of common Genesis cards. And you can only get the common Genesis cards by staking one of these S0s. So you go to S0 and you can see the floor price here is 0.23. Now you jump over here, you see the floor price is 0.349 for the Sidus Genesis. And these are connected to the Sidus NFT Heroes. It's actually cheaper to buy the Sidus Genesis Hero and stake that to get a common card, if you want to go ahead and have the chance of becoming a political member in the future. And there's also there's 2 more bonuses to having a Genesis card, and that is 5% less resources to upgrade weapons, and 5% rating for winning battles, and 5% time goes faster for building manufacturing items. There are quite a bit of benefits to actually owning a Genesis common card. Now, for the second part of my tutorial, let's go ahead and jump over to the Sidus website, and I want to talk to you guys about vesting boxes, tesseracts, and the 9 million Sidus token prize fund. But first, I'm going to get a drink of coffee. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about vesting boxes and how you can earn in-game income with the Sidus Heroes game. Right now, they are doing the beta testing, so just remember, contributing to its development basically amounts to rewarding early adopters. As of right now, even if you have common, rare, or legendary heroes, you can get these tesseracts, and you can get gold tesseracts, I think 3 a day for a 1-person team. I think it's 5 a day for a 2-person team, and I think it might even go up for a 3-person team, but don't quote me on that. I'm not exactly sure how they account for the numbers, because at first I was getting 3, and now I'm getting 5 now that I have a 2-person team. So either they changed the mechanics or they up it for each member you add. Another option right now during the beta game would be to have 3 different wallets with common cards and just be sort of farming with those cards and get 3 wins a day, 3 times a day for each one, and you get 9 boxes total. And then later when the marketplace opens, you can actually sell all those items on the marketplace from those 3 different accounts. So that actually might be another strategy if you decide you want to take advantage of this early adopter rewards that they're having. let's go ahead and move on from the early adopter awards to fighting in the battle arena, which is coming up here soon. So heroes can fight in PvE or PvP mode. It looks like you can increase the number of gold tesseracts a day to 5 until February 1st. Oh, looks like so there will be 5 gold tesseracts until February 1st. So that is right now. It's a lot of gold tesseracts right now. I totally missed this part. Yes, you can get up to 5 a day per account. So that means you can make multiple accounts and get 5 gold tesseracts in each account. So this is a big benefit to holding multiple accounts right now. Now, this also gets them a lot more information for their beta testing, so people can find errors and issues and bugs with the game. So I think it has benefits to both sides of the equation here. Gold tesseracts. Now, let's talk about the tesseracts. Gold tesseracts. There's vesting boxes, and there are vesting boxes for different rarity levels. So if you have legendaries, or if you have commons, or if you have epic heroes, or rare heroes, then you have different types of vesting boxes you can get. Now, vesting boxes have different amounts of Sidus in them. And I'm guessing that the legendary boxes will have a lot more Sidus. It says here sort of the how much money or how much Sidus you're going to be making per year per type of hero, and depending on what type of heroes you have on the team. So like I was saying before, if you have one solo legendary hero, you get 132,000. What I was saying is if you have 2 legendary heroes, one from Academy and one from the Genesis, you get the 25% bonus from the Academy, and your Genesis you can apply to be a president. So the bonus gets spread to your other hero because your whole team gets a 25% experience bonus. And then one of your heroes also has like the Genesis attribute, which means that he can become the president as well. So I think it's good to mix Academy and Genesis, or it's good to have at least one Genesis with a team of 2 Academy. And then you can still get the 6% bonus for the vesting boxes. So that is sort of the strategy that I recommend that I'll be using, is 2 Academy and 1 Genesis. With regards to these vesting boxes, like I said, you get a 6% bonus when you have 3 of the same type. So if you have 3 legendaries, you get a 6% chance of getting a legendary vesting box. If you only have 1, you only get 1% chance. And if you have 2, you have a 3% chance. It's probably better just to have 3 legendaries on a team, but you could also have 1 legendary and 2 epics, and I think for the cost performance of that actually amounts to be quite a good amount, because you get 3% extra bonus for having the epic, and then you also get the 1% of being able to sometimes get that legendary vesting box. Okay, those are the different techniques you can use. It looks like the Academy pre-sale, which was the $1 million sort of raised during that's going to be paid out to the leaderboard for the people who are actually battling in the game. So it looks like they're going to be paying out the best 2,000 fighters, and whoever's in that top 2,000 ranking will get a certain amount of the Sidus tokens. And I'm guessing it'll be not a linear curve, it'll be definitely like an exponential curve, so that people higher on the list, closer to that first place spot, are going to get a much larger chunk of the rewards. Now, let's go ahead and talk about a little bit what's inside of these gold Tesseract boxes. You can get Sidus, of course, and this is the original sort of beta testing version. You can get Sidus coin, and you get 5 to 30 each time. So that's not a whole lot of money. It's, I think, like 15 cents per gold Tesseract per day. But if Sidus token goes up, that's actually quite a bit. And you can't withdraw this Sidus right now, so it's kind of stuck in the game. Now, for all these other ones, a taser, these are kind of hard to get, all right? So the goal is to go ahead and try and get a weapon as soon as possible so you can start beating people. But you can also get these platinum ingots and amethyst and slate, and these are very rare. And I believe this is an old Tesseract box. I believe the new Tesseract box also has like diamonds, and that's like a 0.02% chance. As the Tesseract boxes, as the game gets updated, the Tesseract box also has different items in it. I would recommend playing in the beta version if you can, and try and get as many of these gold Tesseracts as you can while they're still easy to get. Well, relatively easy to get. Anyways, that's the end of my tutorial for you guys today. I really hope that helped explain what Sidus Heroes is and how you can go ahead and buy yourself one of these Sidus Heroes on the Opensea without being completely confused and without getting completely ripped off by the price and difference between the NFT heroes as well as the tokens themselves to go and exchange for the in-game hero. I hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, guys.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.